Hello and welcome to this little tutorial where I'm going to show you how to access the Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch. So before we get into it, the usual pleasantries of course. If you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. You'd be a big hero because you'd be helping us create more stuff like this. And you'd also be helping yourself keeping track, see if we drop anything else useful for you. So before anything else, obviously, first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your Switch is updated with the latest system update. You can just do that via the system settings. And if that is the case, to get started with this tutorial, you're going to want to first head over to the settings, which is down here in the right. Open up system settings. And you're going to want to scroll down to the Internet tab. Open that. Then open up Internet settings. And then select your current network. Scroll down to change settings, and then we're going to scroll down to DNS settings. So by default this is set to automatic. You're going to want to click that and then go ahead and swap it over to manual, and that now unlocks for us the ability to change the primary and secondary DNS. Leave the secondary DNS alone, just open the primary, clear it so we can start afresh, and you're going to want to type in this DNS. So this is 0.5.055.142.122, and then hit start or OK. Alright, so now we just go to the right, click save, settings being saved, click OK. And now we're going to select connect to this network. So this might take just a little bit. It's going to connect to network device first, and then it's going to connect to the internet. And most likely, it's going to say registration is required to use this network. But don't worry about that. That's not going to stop us. We are beyond registration. We're just going to hit next. And that should immediately open up this loading page for the home page on this DNS. All right, and then we're going to, it should already have the cursor on it, but we're going to select go to Google. And now we're at Google. We're just going to search for the Play Store. And hit done or search. Alright, and then top result should just be Android apps and Google Play, so open that. Obviously this is opening as a web page on your Switch, so it's going to be a little bit slow, but it's here and it's working. And hopefully you now have exactly what you needed. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you got what you needed, and see you in the next one.